Hello, I'm Laura. Today I will introduce you to this blue 4x2 dump truck.
Nothing like I've ever seen, it's just a thing of beauty.
The vehicle is about 6.6 by 2.4 by 2.7 meters. This vehicle is powered by a 116 horsepower engine, top speed up to 78 kilometers an hour. The classic long head single cab greatly increased driving safety. Air horn is also fitted above the cab. Tires are 8.25 R20 off-road specific, rear dual tire design, and there is also a spare wheel. Front axle capacity 3 tons, rear axle load capacity 6 tons. Load capacity up to 4 tons. Wheelbase is 3.7 meters. The suspension system is made of steel plant springs. The cylinders use a central overhead double bear system. Bumpers were installed on the front and side of the vehicle. The cargo box is 3.8 by 2.2 by 1 meters. The taller version of the cargo box can carry more cargo. This vehicle is also equipped with a climbing ladder. Easy loading and unloading of goods. This vehicle has a fuel tank capacity of 140 liters. Max height over obstacles 400 millimeters. Max wide depth of 450 millimeters. Above is the full information of this vehicle. If you are interested in us, please follow us. Bye-bye.